I'm Damien, this is Simon. We're here to talk about our Machinery of Data 2015 project, which is You Breathe It, isn't it? So we thought we'd bend the rules slightly. Instead of us just using all the government data, why not come up with a way that we can contribute some back? So what we've come up with in our project is a sensor that will detect carbon monoxide and particulates in the atmosphere. So we've been riding around on our bikes for a little bit, collecting data, and Simon will tell you more about that later.
So this is our Machinery of Data entry. So we've got a carbon monoxide sensor, a particles sensor, like a dust sensor, and inside we've got a temperature and humidity sensor, and this is connected to an Arduino microcontroller, which gathers all the data and then sends it out through a little Bluetooth module to our phones, which then adds GPS and a timestamp.
We think Adelaide's air quality is quite good on world standards, but as cyclists riding next to heavy traffic, there could be localised areas that we don't know about.
So this is our initial particle data that we've collected, and as you can see, there is a higher concentration of particles in the city than in the suburbs. And this is our carbon monoxide data, which strangely, there's a higher carbon monoxide concentration out in the suburbs than there is in the city centre.
I was able to plot the particulate data that I collected onto a map, and using the DPTI's road traffic counts, I was able to produce this plot of the particulates per vehicle.
The device could be made into kits and put in containers smaller than a drink can for interested people to collect and contribute their own data.
So the second part of the project is that we'll create a website that will open up the data we've collected via an API so that next year's GovHack people can use that data in their competition.